Hi, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to add more work zones or workstations to RadioBOSS so you have more room to play, or work I should say. Basically what we see here is the default set of the program. We've got playlist 1, playlist 2, and on the right hand side you've got, or the left hand side I should say, you've got the file explorer, the file lookup, the scheduler, and then the equalizer, and right below you've got log. But in our last video we talked about how to add sound effects. It involves adding more workstations, so we wanted to make a video just how to add more workstations. You have an idea of how to add more room to play and to work on when it comes to RadioBOSS. So to do that, there's a couple different icons you can choose. Here at the toolbar, we see here left panel, work zones 1, 2, 3, and work zones additional. So if we click work zones 2, right here on the right hand side, you're going to see that our screen just popped up. And if we click the plus button, we can add an aux playlist, cart wall, search, file explorer, notepad. And we can give it a name here, and then we can type. So basically what we did here is we added more workstations, or pretty much empty slots where we can add our own content. So the same could have been, for example, let's say here we go back to the toolbar, we click work zones 3, right below it adds another one. So I can also pretty much change the size of each. We click on the plus button and we can add a cart wall. We can give it a name, we can put jingles, and just like that in our video where we talk about sound effects, we have this screen here where we can add our own sound effects. So pretty much this is what the work zones or workstations would be in RadioBOSS. Let's say you want another one just because 2 isn't enough for you. You can go ahead and click on work zones additional, the last icon here at the toolbar, and it opens one up automatically just like that. And we can add an aux playlist, we can give it a name, playlist, and just like that, we pretty much have more workstations showing up. And if we click it again, it'll pretty much bring us up another one. So right now we've got 2 different workstations. So there's a couple different things you can do when it comes to RadioBOSS and pretty much enlarging the amount of room you have to work. So this was basically a video just showing you and explaining about how the work zones work and how to activate them. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comment section below and we're happy to help. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.